Hi there, and welcome back. Today we're going to connect Checkout.com to Checkify Pro and turn your checkout into a fully functional global payment flow. Checkout.com is a powerful payment provider used by modern e-commerce brands to process card payments, digital wallets, and localized payment methods worldwide. By connecting it to Checkify, you can offer customers a faster and more flexible checkout experience while improving payment performance behind the scenes. Before starting, make sure you already have an active Checkout.com merchant account with API access enabled. Now let's begin the setup. Inside your Checkify Pro admin, go to Payment Systems and find Checkout.com in the list of available providers. Click Connect and keep this page open. Next, open your Checkout.com dashboard and navigate to Developers and open the Keys section. This is where Checkout.com stores your API credentials. You'll see two important values here, the public key and the secret key. You may proceed with default scopes for the secret key. It is also very important to select the entity for your application when generating the key, because without this, the key will be generated but will not work. Once created, copy your live keys and processing channel ID and paste them into the corresponding fields inside Checkify. Once the credentials are added, you can configure additional options for the payment method. For example, you can choose which countries should see Checkout.com during checkout, allowing you to localize the payment experience for different regions. Also, depending on your Checkout.com configuration, you may enable Apple Pay and Google Pay Express checkout buttons for faster one-click payments on the Checkout.com hosted page. After everything is configured, click Connect to activate the integration. The connection only takes a few seconds. And now let's make sure everything is working correctly. Open the preview window using the button in the bottom left corner of the page. And as you can see, Checkout.com is now successfully connected and displayed directly on the checkout page, meaning your customers can already use it to complete purchases. And that's it. Your checkout is now ready to process payments through Checkout.com inside Checkify Pro securely. Thanks for watching. Feel free to save this video if it helped you connect Checkout.com with Checkify, and let us know which integrations you'd like us to cover next.